After months of being stuck in work, finally it's time to hit the road again. It's been a while since my last motovlog, but rides like these remind me why I started motovlogging in the first place. Just me, the road, and my machine.
Hello. So welcome to our new motovlog. So we are heading towards Statue of Unity, Gujarat. So let's start the map. So it's showing 7 hours 29 minutes for 14 kilometers. I'll reach there by 1. It's 5:43 a.m. I was about to leave approximately by 5 a.m. but I'm running late. So let's go. It's been approximately 3 months I haven't created any vlogs. I didn't get much time to create any vlogs. After so long, I'm doing this morning ride. Yeah, feeling so good. After so long, I'm doing a solo ride. I ride with my fellow buddy who has Vitpilin 250. So there is one benefit of doing solo ride. You can leave whenever you want. You don't have to wait for anyone to get ready. Call them multiple times that you have reached at the meeting point. Already 6 o'clock and I have only covered 10 kilometers. My plan was to leave by 5 and at least cross Vasai by 6. I'm just hoping it should not rain, man. Look at these magical clouds. This diversion is so dangerous, man. So we have completed approximately 50 plus kilometers. So this is not my first time going to Statue of Unity on my 100cc commuter with my one of the friend. He was sitting as a pillion and we started at 5:30 I guess and we reached there by around 4 o'clock. See like today how much time it will take me to reach by KTM. If I'll ride at this pace, maybe I'll reach by 1 o'clock. I have to refuel my bike and I have to refuel myself. I woke up at 4:30. I just drank one glass of water, that's it. So I have to stop somewhere for having a good breakfast. I did a ride on the same highway. I went to Saputara. It's a beautiful place. So this is Maharashtra checkpost. There is a separate line for trucks and containers and for bike and cars. This is the separate line. And you will see bunch of mamus over here. So this is Gujarat checkpost. Gujarat checkpost and Maharashtra checkpost are separated by I guess 10 to 15 kilometers of distance. So far we have completed around 147 kilometers. I guess we should stop at Hotel Jalaram Kathiawad and have a breakfast. Have to speed up, man. I have only covered 152 kilometers. I don't think I will get power petrol over here. I have to go with normal fuel. Last time also I checked multiple petrol pumps here. There were no power petrol. I visited Statue of Unity in May 2019. So at that time like the construction was still going on. They were building the riverfront. I have reached Vapi. I was expecting a sunny day, but it seems to be a beautiful cloudy weather. I just hope it should be like that the whole day. We have completed approximately 210 kilometers halfway and it is 10:15.
least need to cover some distance. So last 10 to 20 kilometers hour, I'm continuously riding 100 kmph. These roads are full of surprises. Look at this blue sky, man. My mobile had only 25% battery left, and I forgot to carry my power bank, but I had my charger. Just few kilometers back I bought one USB to C connector, and I have kept my mobile on charging. It is working perfectly. Now I can charge my DJI camera batteries also, thanks to Vadodara handlebar bag. It is 100% waterproof, and it has a capacity of 2 liters, which is making my life easier, man. Turn by turn navigation, which I can utilize, and if I want to search anything in between, so it gives me multiple options. If you can see, I can check for tourist attraction, eating, and petrol stations, all the petrol pumps which are en route. So this feature, like, I lately discovered when I was going Saputara, and it works without internet, man. So you just have to download the maps on KTM Connect mobile app, and you will be able to navigate perfectly. So it works pretty well. Statue of Unity, 90 kilometers remaining. We are off the Gujarat highway.
Last time, like May 2019,
Like, my friend was riding at that time. We were traveling at the speed of 60 to 70, and suddenly, like, tire got punctured, bike started
to wobble.
He thought that I was shaking the bike. Then I told him, no, tire got punctured and you have to make the bike stable. Luckily we survived. We had to push the bike for, I guess, 1 to 1.5 kilometer, and it was too hot. It was May month. I remember this place. There is one puncture shop. Yeah, this was the puncture shop. Just nearby this area only we got a puncture. Only 20 kilometers remaining for Statue of Unity. I guess this is the Narmada Nadi.
Finally reached the parking at the Statue of Unity. What a ride, man. Time to park the bike and explore. Here is the ticket counter and the luggage deposit. Pretty decent setup. They have got a bus service included with the ticket, but yeah, no one really wants to stand in line. Everyone just rushing to get off on first. Once you are on the bus, though, it's totally worth it. Beautiful mountains on one side and Narmada River flowing beside you. Cadets are practicing their parade here. All this prep is for the Prime Minister visit on 31st October. Honestly, it's sad to see how people still litter around such a beautiful place. Entering through the main gate now, there are fountains and new setups that weren't here earlier. They have added escalators now. Standing right below the statue gives you goosebumps. It's just huge. From up here, you get such an amazing view. The Narmada River, the mountains, and the Statue of Unity written across the hill. That's the cruise down there. You can pre-book it for dinner or just a relaxing ride on the river. Look at this. So much garbage thrown around. It's honestly disappointing. People keep littering everywhere, now waiting for the return bus. The crowd is insane. Everyone's pushing, shouting, fighting to get in. I had to wait more than an hour in the heat. Crazy scene. Finally done for the day, heading back to the hotel. We have already explored Statue of Unity, so now we are heading towards home. So this is October month and it is still raining. I was expecting an October heat, but it looks like the rain is not over yet. It's a beautiful day. You know, the roads are as good as Maharashtra. You can see. So the amount of efforts which government is putting in keeping this such good roads are as equal as Maharashtra. We get such beautiful roads, you can see. When we visited 5 years back, there were only limited hotels, but now the numbers have increased. And one more thing to note, so you cannot take your personal vehicles, even your bike or cars. So you have to keep their vehicles there in the parking, and you have to buy tickets there. There are lockers available, so you cannot carry large bags. If you have a small purse, it should not contain illegal substances. Even drones are not allowed, but you can carry your cameras. So I thought this time at least I'll go on the top, and viewing gallery gets closed by 6 p.m. So there were appointment systems, I guess. You can check online. If there are available slots, then only you will be able to go. So plan accordingly. There is a security check. They will do the frisking and the bags you have carried. So only small pouches and small bags are allowed. There is a light show which starts at 7:30. A good road. We should stop here to have a tea, man. Look at this. So this is the Mumbai highway. What is that sign, man?
322 kilometers to go. It is showing me I'll reach home by 5:33. Let's see. Currently it is 11:35. I have to cover approximately 300 kilometers. So in between I'm going to take one break near at Chikli, reach to that place which I was talking about. So I'm gonna have a lunch over here. So this is Hare Krishna Dhokla House. So we have got one more KTM 390 Adventure. So this is the advantage of having bike versus car. You can sneak through corners. And finally it started raining. Exactly what I was hoping wouldn't happen. Met another rider on versus 660. Always nice meeting fellow bikers on the road. The highway was completely waterlogged. I had to slow down for a bit. And that's where this solo ride comes to an end. See you later.